Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Anita Kurnia, and in this video I will tell you about an unforgettable incident that I experienced in the past. This incident can be cited as a horror story or scary. This incident happened about 3 years ago when I was in first grade of high school. At that time, our school held a block camp for all first graders of high school. This block camp is carried out for 3 days, namely Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, or commonly abbreviated as Perjusami. Each team consists of 7 people. Well, to be precise, it happened on the night of the second day of our camp. This incident occurred on the night of the bonfire. After the bonfire ceremony was over, it was drizzling at that night, so we block camp participants were directed by the committee to immediately move to the open hall to continue the art performance. The program initially went smoothly. Each team got a turn to perform. Some sang, dance, and performed other arts. When one of the men's team came up with a song called actually I happened to forget the title of the song, but as far as I remember, the song was sung by singer Firza. Singer Firza, who was very hyped at the time. They sing the song with guitar accompaniment, which can be said to be quite loud. At that time, in the middle of singing the song, suddenly one of the girls from the women's team, who happened to be sitting not far from me, screamed so loudly that everyone focused on her, and the organizers immediately to stop the art performance. It was the first time I saw someone in a live trance even happening near me. Students who are in a trance are immediately taken to the prayer room by the committee. All students were asked to calm down. A few minutes when the atmosphere was more conducive, the committee had started ordering the next team to show their art performances, but suddenly there were several more students who shouted at the same time. The situation, which we thought had improved, became increasingly chaotic. Everyone in the open hall panicked. Art performances were stopped and replaced with recitation and zikr activities together. Even our Scots supervisor brother ordered that no students came out of the open hall. This happened a long time ago, but somehow every time I recall it or think back on it, it gives me goosebumps, just like I feel now. But fine, I'll continue the story. Because many were in a trance, we had to bring in the ustad, and finally we were left in the open hall, had to sleep like salted fish because we were not allowed to return to our expensive tents. The men slept on stilts in the open hall, while we women slept downstairs on mats. The next morning, our school decided to immediately hold a closing ceremony for the block camp so that our hiking activities were postponed. The next day, on Monday, I went to school as usual, but when the class started, I was very surprised because only a few students came that day, not even half of the class. Perhaps because of the effects of that night's events, many fell ill and decided to leave school. It was an unforgettable incident that I have ever experienced. I myself can be said to be a coward. I had horror or mystical stories, but I'm very grateful that I'm not in a trance that night. Okay, that's my story about what I experienced in the past. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching my video, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.